What are the rules for teacher student loan forgiveness? Are you a teacher wondering how you can benefit from the Teacher Student Loan Forgiveness Program? Let's break down the essential rules and requirements you need to know. This federal program is designed to forgive a portion of your federal student loans if you meet specific criteria. First, let's talk about employment. To qualify, you must be a full-time teacher for 5 complete and consecutive academic years. Your teaching must take place at a qualifying low-income elementary or secondary school, or at an educational service agency that serves low-income students. Remember, those 5 years of teaching must be consecutive, but they do not have to be immediately before you apply. Next, we have subject area qualifications. If you are a highly qualified teacher in specific subject areas like special education or secondary math or science, you could be eligible for up to $17,500 in loan forgiveness. For teachers in other eligible subject areas, the forgiveness amount may be up to $5,000. Now, let's discuss the types of loans that are eligible for this program. The Teacher Student Loan Forgiveness Program applies to federal direct loans and federal Family Education Loan Program loans. If you have federal family education loans or Perkins loans, you will need to consolidate them into a direct consolidation loan to qualify. When it comes to the application process, it's important to act after completing your 5 full years of qualifying teaching service. You will need to submit a teacher loan forgiveness application to your loan servicer. The Chief Administrative Officer of your school or educational service agency must certify your employment on this application. If you have loans serviced by multiple companies, you will need to submit separate applications to each loan servicer. Another important point is how this program interacts with other forgiveness programs. The time you spend earning teacher loan forgiveness does not count towards public service loan forgiveness eligibility. This means you cannot receive credit for both programs at the same time. You will need to decide which program best suits your employment and repayment situation. Lastly, keep in mind that this program is specifically for federal student loans. Private loans do not qualify. The amount forgiven under the Teacher Loan Forgiveness Program is not considered taxable income by the Internal Revenue Service. To check if your school qualifies as low income, you can refer to the Teacher Cancellation Low Income Directory. In practical terms, if you are a full-time teacher at a qualifying low-income school and meet the subject and employment criteria, you can receive substantial loan forgiveness after 5 years of service. This program is designed to help reduce the burden of student loan debt for educators dedicated to serving in high-need areas. Make sure to keep accurate records of your employment and submit your application promptly after completing the required service period.